Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to use AirPods with Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to use AirPods with Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. To use AirPods with Microsoft Teams, just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a three-dot icon. And tap. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Go to Devices. This is already in the Devices menu. And there are several menu options. Before connecting to Microsoft Teams, open the Bluetooth settings first. Now connect to your AirPods. And return to Microsoft Teams again. Now in the speaker section, tap next to it. Now here several speaker options will appear. Tap the name of the AirPods you are using. So that's it, tutorial how to use AirPods with Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.